Welcome to our dishwasher showdown. Today we're comparing two popular countertop dishwashers, the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher and the EUHOMY Mini Portable Dishwasher. Both are designed for small spaces, but they offer different features and capabilities. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. Let's start with the price. The COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher is priced at $299, while the EUHOMY Mini Portable Dishwasher comes in at a lower price of $269. This makes the EUHOMY a more budget-friendly option for those looking to save on their purchase. Next, let's talk about capacity. The COMFEE can hold up to 6 place settings, which is great for small households. In contrast, the EUHOMY boasts a much larger capacity, claiming to accommodate over 30 dishes. This makes the EUHOMY a better choice for larger families or those who entertain frequently. Finally, let's compare their washing programs. The COMFEE offers 8 different washing programs, including options like Heavy, Normal, Baby Care, and Eco. On the other hand, the EUHOMY provides 6 modes, including a unique fruit wash. While both offer versatility, the COMFEE has a slight edge with more options for different cleaning needs. In conclusion, both the COMFEE and EUHOMY dishwashers offer great features for compact living. If you prioritize capacity and a lower price, the EUHOMY is the way to go. However, if you want more washing options, the COMFEE stands out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.